It is now 2022 and winter is nearly over. Well, it's still a little bit chilly today, for me at least. But that means that I'm starting to work on the boat again. So today I'm heading that way. Just come from Lowe's. Had to pick up a couple different tools, new impact wrench, cordless drill, sawzall, I don't know, whatever else comes in the pack. And I needed a bit more horsepower compared to what I was using. However, I'm always eager to find an excuse to buy new tools. So today the plan is to get the deck removed from the boat. I think it's going to be a combination of cutting, unscrewing, I don't really know. There's an aluminium skin, or aluminum, however you want to say it, skin underneath the boat, and I really don't want to remove that because it's all pop riveted on. I really don't want to put another 100 pop rivets, so I may have to just cut the marine ply off, and then I'm going to keep the front and the back piece so that I can use that as a template for when I get the new deck. And I'll be ordering the new deck in a little bit from Pontoon Stuff. I think I'm going to order everything from Pontoon Stuff. They have the seats that I want. They have the deck and the vinyl flooring. They have fencing. I've been working with Travis and Stephanie over at Pontoon Stuff, and they have been so helpful. Just really excellent customer service, which, that alone is enough motivation for me to do business with them. And they've really been hugely helpful, educating me as I'm going through the process of how to buy a fence. Their fencing looks really nice based on what they've sent me. They've been really kind to work with me on a couple different designs. So we're going to sort out a deal over the next week and hopefully get that stuff delivered soon. Everything that I've been seeing on Facebook and on the Pontoon, I think it's called Pontoon Junkies page, the delivery's been outstanding. I think the owner has been posting quite a lot, which has been great. I love to see that type of attention, that type of care, customer service. When you got people, in senior management, willing to go out there and I've seen them fix a couple problems and just be really supportive of people. So hopefully I can pull the deal together with Pontoon Stuff. It's quite a lot of stuff that I need from them, and get it all together soon. So let's get to the boat and get going. So this is what we're dealing with right now. We got the boat sitting out here. Managed to take this back rail off, and now you see some of these screws here. Those are self tappers, but then those are also self tappers. Then over there, I don't know if you can see that, but those at the back there, those are nuts and bolts. So that's going to be challenging. Anyway, we'll get this off. I'm just getting this last little bit of trim off the back over here, and then I will start on the console. So that's going to take a little while, and then pull off the carpet and get this plywood off.
please hit that like button, helps with the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything, and you'll see all the latest videos and shorts. That's about as far as I got this week. Next week I'm going to be pulling out the plywood and hopefully getting my order from pontoonstuff.com. Hoping to partner with them on this project. See you guys next time.